In this video, we're going to go through the step-by-step on how to activate and enable password security for your users logging into your Knowi instance, which can really be useful if your organization requires password policy and password reset policy as well. As a system admin, you can enforce the number of days when a user must reset their password. For this, go to the Settings page, then Users tab, and from within the account settings up here, scroll down to the Customer Settings section on the bottom. You can enter a value and the number of days to prompt all users in your Knowi instance for a password expiration. For instance, changing the value from the default 0 to 30 and saving that would prompt every user within your Knowi instance with an alert banner reminding them to reset their passcode. This banner stays active until the user has reset their password. After her user has successfully changed their passcode, the number of days until the next expiration is reset to 0 and the countdown resuming again.
For more information on how to get the best out of Knowi, please visit knowi.com/university. Thanks for watching and see you next time.